We should talk in a decent way, in a civilized way, just like Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani did, calling people haramzade, durriyatul bagaya, harami, okay, kanjriyon ke bache, you know. So this is the language. Their prophets use this language. We should talk like this. Children, you bastards who don't believe, you don't believe in me, you're bastards. So this is the civilized behavior and language he wants us to use. Correct? Murabbi Sahib? If you don't like the individual, why are you cursing his mother? Because you calling him a bastard child, you're saying his mother was an adulteress, therefore he was born, right? Okay, so he's saying this is metaphorical. How can you call someone metaphorically a bastard or a harami? You show us. Go to someone here. Let me find a big guy. Let me find a big guy, a muscular guy. Go and call him a bastard and see what happens. Let us see the metaphor. One second. Let us see the metaphor in practice. So it's not metaphorical. Words are real and they have real meanings, right? So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, their prophet, was cursing people non-stop. Those people who did not, he lost a debate against a Christian called Abdullah Atam. And when people said, you lost the debate, he said, those people who are saying I lost the debate are bastard children. My God. So if you lose a debate and if people identify your loss, they are bastard children.
When we call a person a harami, Rasulullah has used that word too.
Wait. Present the evidence. Present the evidence. You just claimed the Prophet called people harami. Did you hear this? Did you hear this? Okay. Now he's asking for the evidence. Don't let him off. Evidence. Don't run away. Don't run away. Don't run away, Murabbi Sahib. He said that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used the word harami against his opponents. Okay. Okay. Wait. Did he say this or not?
Yeah, he did.
He did? Okay.
It's on camera.
It's on camera, Murabbi Sahib. Murabbi Sahib is on camera. He threw the blame on the Prophet of Islam, the true Prophet of Allah, Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He's now claiming Mirza Ghulam. He's not denying that Mirza used these words. And you know who he called harami? People who were resisting the racist, the brutal, the tyrannical, the oppressive, the genocidal British colonial rule in India. If you were a freedom fighter in India in the 19th century, according to their prophet Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, you were a harami. He called them harami. Ask him to challenge me, and he won't challenge me because he knows I will pull out the page from his book, the very page where he calls people, those who resist the British colonial rule in India are haramis. They are bastards. He's calling them bastards because he was a true servant, true loyal servant of the British. Respond now. Look, this is 2 minutes. Go ahead. I will not interrupt. Murabbi Sahab.